Hey guys, welcome back to Unconventional Itinerary. It's a beautiful Monday morning and today we are headed out. I wanted to do a day in the life, just what we're doing today. I know I haven't been vlogging as much recently, you know, life, school, all the above, but we are heading a few places today. One of the places is supposed to be a very popular dessert spot slash ice cream spot. We have to pick up an errand for my mom. Hopefully the place is open. I don't know because I need to check my phone to see if the guy wrote me back. And the third place, we are going to be hitting one of the many malls here in Merida. So stay tuned. One of the many things I love about here in Merida is that you really don't need a car. The cost of the cabs are super cheap, but another thing that I do like about catching a cab is that you have three options. You have InDriver, Uber, and Didi. Uh-oh, they're taking off without me. Hola.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. It's okay.
San Antonio Cucul, vamos.
Yes, sí. Oh, there you go. Gracias. Hasta luego. Okay, so we have arrived at the spot. It's actually in a shopping center that has a bunch of other stores, as you can see, a whole bunch of stores right here. But the spot we are going to, I am about to flip my phone around so you guys can see it. It's called Quelado. This is it, a cute little store. Has like some seating out here. Okay. So everything is made fresh in-house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything's made right here. The cookies, the ice cream, the toppings of the ice cream, the donuts,
Yeah.
popsicles, even the marshmallow.
Oh, wow. That looks really good, Mackenzie. And you love marshmallows.
That's why right now we are like, some things are missing because yesterday was Sunday. It was
Everyone came in and bought everything. But you guys still have a good variety out right now.
So the ice cream for this one?
Oh. What is the one next to the Oreo?
It's queso de bola with Nutella.
Okay,
That's
not
like
that
very
one.
good.
Yucatecan? Okay. And what was this one again? What is...
This is vanilla with brownie, salted caramel, and it already includes the marshmallow.
Okay, so let's do that. It's really good. It looks good. It looks delicious. All right, so I had to step outside because they are playing music and I don't want my video to be like flagged or whatever. But anyway, so I got an ice cream sandwich right here. It has Oreo. The top half is cookie, chocolate chip cookie. The bottom half is Oreo. If you do plan on coming here, Friday is the best day to come, the owner said. He said Mondays, like beginning of the week, they're prepping for the rest of the week, so not everything is available. I am waiting on a donut because I am a fatty and I love food. I love sweets, especially when it's really good. Mackenzie had some ice cream and she said hers is really good. She's eating it right now in there. I'm going to continue this and I will show you guys the rest of the food that we got. this spot. Hola, buenos tardes, right here. This place was really, really good. I just found out that they also have a burger spot, which I'm not supposed to be eating any meat, but it's in Las Américas, and I will post that information below. So the spot is called Clayton Burgers, and it's in Las Américas, right outside the Periférico. And I just looked at the reviews there. So the owner, Alberto, he owns this place and the other place. But apparently when I looked, it had like 4.9 stars on Google reviews. So if you're looking for a good burger joint, check that out. I might go check it out and let y'all know how it is before. All right, so we just got to our second spot. We are going to a spot called Holistica. I did a video of this, and if you don't know, I started my spiritual journey here in Merida in the Yucatan, and it's been a great journey for me. I'm still learning a lot. I still have to learn a lot, but I'm here to pick up some things for my mom. I've been to this place like 1,000 times in like 1 week. The owner, Sergio, is super duper nice, and I'm probably gonna be in here for a little bit, but until then, let me turn around and show you guys the sign.
Like to stay out here?
No, you can come in.
Oh.
So I had ordered a bunch of stuff for my mom, and as you can see, all of those are Rose of Jericho that I am taking with me for the most part. And there's some stuff behind the desk that you can't see right now that I am taking with me. If you have any type of spiritual needs, definitely hit up Sergio. He's super friendly, and he will order whatever he can get and bring it back. All right, so we just left Sergio's Holistica, and we've been in there for like an hour, and now we're on our way to our next location. Hola, buenos tardes.
Gallerias?
Sí. Sergio is really, really amazing. He can get anything that you want, and he's super knowledgeable. He speaks some English, even though it's probably best to attempt to speak Spanish to him. But if you need anything, I highly suggest it. It's one of my favorite and only shops here in Merida that pretty much has everything that you might need for your spiritual journey. Okay, so it was definitely $90 I just spent. I'm all over the place today, but it still was not a lot for everything that we purchased. We did keep some stuff there because we're going to somewhere else, and it's just too much weight to carry, but we will be back to get our items probably tomorrow, the next day, whenever, and then we'll be on our merry way. Okay, so we made it to the mall. This is Galleria's mall, and there are several malls here in Merida, but this particular mall is pretty cool. There is an actual skating rink in this mall that you can go to on the weekends. It's free skating. During the weekday, they have people that are giving classes to kids that are skating. I'm going to walk over there right now to see if anyone's over there so I can show you guys.
How did they get those cars in here?
Probably open up.
Did they like drive them in here? So much good stuff in here.
So we're in Mackenzie's favorite store right now called Sasha, and they have a ton of stuff in here that she just likes to spend my money like any other kid this age.
It's 400 pesos.
So this little spot behind me right here, they have really good smoothies. If you do get a smoothie from there, get it with coconut milk. It is so good. Also, they have good quiche as well. Huh? Ain't nobody in. So we just did some shopping at Pole Bear, one of my favorite stores, along with Mackenzie, and also Bershka. Mackenzie found her bathing suit. Now we're just walking around and we're about to go to that spot I told you guys about when we first got to the mall, and I'm going to show you what type of food they have there. So if you're here at the Galleria mall, then you can just get it for yourself too. Es just one more. Más. Una más. Gracias. Okay, so I just ordered from the spot I was telling you about. I got a fresa smoothie con coco with coconut milk, and I got a pie manzana apple pie. I got that. I shouldn't be eating any more sweets because I just got a bag full of these little turtle thingies right here. They're filled with caramel from Liverpool, and they're so good. So I'm gonna put them in my freezer. I have a bunch in my freezer already, but I got them from a different Liverpool, and they were not as good as the one from this one. So I got those for later. Oh, gracias. So here's my smoothie right here. When we got this before, one of my friends had gotten it with water. It was not good, but I had got it with the coconut milk. And since then, I just get it with it. I don't even know how much it costs. It costs like... So it cost 89 pesos, so right under $5, but whatever. Starbucks costs $5 anyway. And I don't know how much the pie was, so I am going to enjoy that with my drink. Mackenzie totally reminded me that I did not show the pie, so I will show the pie right now. It's so cute. It's so tiny. It's so cute. Like a little pie. And that's it. But today was a good day. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. We are going to be headed back home, and I need to do homework. I still need to script a few more of my other YouTube videos for my Full Sail University. But thank you guys for watching, and I will check you guys on the next video. If you have any questions about any of the places I went to today, definitely leave a comment in the bottom, and I will definitely have no problem giving you more information. Bye. Bye.